So hi, I'm Mart from Decomer Technology, and we are developing a novel water-soluble and edible packaging material. The material is completely safe for people and the environment, and as it is plant-based, then there is no need to worry about eating plastic. The material can be used for developing novel products in the fields of food industry, food supplements, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, detergents, and so on. Our business model includes selling own products, white label products, and licensing out our production process to others. As an example, as our first product, we are developing water-soluble honey packages, which is a non-sticky solution for making consuming honey in drinks more convenient. We already have pre-sale agreements for that, and our primary target markets are Germany, Japan, and UK. In our team, we have both material science and product development, as well as business competencies. We can carry out lab-scale production of the material, but we need your help for the next steps. Majority of the mass production process has already been developed and tested, but we need 40,000 euros to develop the last missing part. After that, we have commitment from potential investors that when we have the process ready and the patent filed for the process, they would finance setting up the large-scale production facilities. And for the ending, if you wish to see, then I have a small piece of the material here, which I'm going to eat now. Thank you.
Ta-da!
He's still standing.
Here is where we take lights and like, I believe I can fly. Super cool. What do you do with the 40 grants?
Sorry?
What do you do with the 40,000?
Yeah, as I said, like majority of the mass production process we have already developed. But for the patent, as we want to patent the process, then the last missing part is what we still have to develop. We need to acquire some of the machinery parts, but as such, like machinery that we could straight use doesn't exist. Believe me, we have traveled for the last year all over the world trying to find the pieces. So now we have it ready on paper, and we just need to get it really done.
Can you tell us about your competition?
Regarding material, process, or some certain products?
Material.
Like the current water-soluble materials are mostly made of either animal leftovers or petroleum-based, like the detergent pods, they are from petroleum. And ours is completely plant-based, and it also dissolves in cold water, not in just hot water.
So is there anyone else doing the same thing as this?
Like on science level, it is like being tried out, but nothing has made it to like commercially available like stage. And we are also like looking ahead, so we're not just focusing on one certain like blend of the materials. So that's why we are focusing on the process, so we could also license it out, and it would cover like alternatives in the future.
But when we start selling, I say we because I'm already kind of on board, but when we start selling the honey capsules by the billion, how easy it is to copy the concept? How easy it is to copy the concept?
Yeah, we know that the patent is like the main like asset for us, so we need to get that very much right, because I say it can be maybe someone can like think out of alternative blends for that, and that's why we know the process they would still need to use the same one if they want to have a product with the same properties. It would dissolve in cold water, not cold, but just like colder water as well. So we have to write, when we have the patent ready, we have to write all the ingredients on the food products, obviously. So they would know what is in there. So that's why we know we have to get the patent very well right. But patent officer is already putting the patent.
Thank you very much. Then you
Thanks so much.
it's your future investor. Then you can communicate.
Thank you.